Hi guys, do you want to set your email address visibility to your friends only and you don't know how to do that? Then don't you worry because you're on the right place. In this video, I'm going to tell you the exact way how to set your email address visibility to your friends only on Facebook in 2024. So before we start, my name is Star and you're watching the Start Biscuit YouTube channel on which I upload the latest tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what are you waiting for? Just simply hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell icon notification to stay connected. Thanks guys. So let's dive into it, and first of all just simply open up your Facebook app, and then after that tap at the profile picture in the top right corner to come to the menu section. Once you come to that menu section, just simply tap at the gear to open up settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, tap at privacy checkup just like that and go for how people can find you on Facebook. Just simply tap on it like that and tap continue and tap next. Here we get the option of email address. Just simply tap on it and tap at friends just like that. Or you can also set it to your phone number. Tap on it and tap friends. Once you're done with all of that, just simply tap it next and tap review another topic. So that's how you can simply and easily set your email address visibility to your friends only. So I will help you guys, and if you think that this video helped you, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, just leave in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on Instagram. Goodbye till the next video.